Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer Solana from Revolut to your Phantom wallet. So first you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then you have to click on crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. If you don't find this crypto option, you have to click on hub, and from this screen you have to scroll down, and under this wealth section you will find crypto. So just click on it, and then on this screen you have to use the search bar to select the specific currency that you want to transfer. So just click on it, and then in the search bar type Solana, and from the search results select Solana. After you do that, you will be able to see the similar screen. From here you have to click on this send button, and then on this screen you have to click on this new button at the top right corner, and then from this pop-up window select crypto wallet and then click on got it. Then you just have to paste the wallet address in this area. So open up your Phantom wallet and then click on receive. After that, select Solana from here and then just click on this wallet address and your wallet address will be copied. Now go back to your Revolut app and then paste the wallet address in this area. You also have to make sure that you have selected the same network as you have selected in your Phantom. So you have to make sure this network matches in your both of your app. And once you do that, you can also name this wallet as Phantom if you want, and then click on continue. Then 6-digit code will be sent it to your registered mobile number. So just enter code in this area and then click on continue. Then it will show you this warning that's saying that to make sure you are sending funds to a right address, consider sending a small test amount first. So just click on got it, and then on this screen you just have to enter amount, how much you want to transfer, and then click on send, and then it will give you the summary of your transfer. So make sure wallet address, network, and the amount is correct, and then click on send. And once you do that, your Solana will be transferred from your Revolut to your Phantom wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.